this noise, go. Will you hear me if I'm calling on this wild and windy night? Will you catch me if I'm falling on this wild and windy night? One more time, have it nailed. Will you hear me if I'm calling on this wild and windy night? Will you catch me if I'm falling on this wild and windy night? When I may lose my way back home, lose the signs that I've been shown, wander helpless through the storm, all alone. We go. Will you hear me if I'm calling on this wild windy night? Will you catch me if I'm falling on this wild and windy night? When I may lose the strength to run, finish what I've not begun, fading with the winter sun, everything undone. Here we go. Will you hear me if I'm calling on this wild windy night? Will you catch me if I'm falling on this wild and windy night? When I may lose the strength to dream, for nothing is what it might seem, when all the places I have been forever unseen. Will you hear me if I'm calling on this wild windy night? Will you catch me if I'm falling on this wild and windy night? Try it on your own. Will you hear me? That's beautiful. There's some wee variations there on the melody, right enough, you know what I mean? But it is a kind of festival kind of we're having here, and you know, you're allowed a wee bit of self-expression, you know what I mean? But we'll maybe do it again and try and get it a wee bit nearer the original. Do it again. Concentrate. Will you hear? Again, because that sounds great. It's kind of ricocheting off the buildings and that, you know. I don't think I've ever heard people singing in the middle of the town like this. It's lovely. Will you hear? The fear out of sight, but always near.